Hey everyone, welcome back. In one of my previous videos, I have showed you how you can make a movie recap channel and start making money on YouTube. In this video, I'm gonna show you how much you can expect to earn from making that kind of videos. So to answer that question, I'm going to trustii.com. You can type it in Google and click on the first result. In generally, this website is offering accounts that you can buy and also you can sell some of yours. But I wanna know how much they are making, so I'm clicking on buy. And first I'm using their search tool and I'm typing movie retails to find out how much they're making. I'm selecting the search button and I'm checking out the results. Then I'm going over the second result and I'm selecting more info so I can get a detailed look of what this channel is all about. I can already see that this channel is having 154,000 subscribers and they're selling it at the price of 15,000 euros. There are also additional pictures so you can see the monthly reports of each month. And before I do a math on how much they're making, I'm checking a few factors. When I go to the description, I can see that this channel is generating on average $896 per month and the overall income from this channel is $9,230. Also, a key element is from where this audience is coming from, where it is getting all the views, and I can see they're coming from Serbia, Bosnia and Herzegovina and Croatia, which are not so highly paid as a viewers. So in order to find out how much CPM they're having, I'm typing their revenue and I'm dividing that by 1,900, which is 1.9 million divided by 1,000. And I can find out that they're making 47 cents per 1,000 views. And that is extremely low, but I'm not surprised because that is based on the viewers where they're coming from. Now I will explore a few more channels so you can see what is the bare minimum and what is really good revenue for that kind of channel. Other factors is that you can see in the previous window, you can see that if the channel is monetized, what kind of language are the videos about, and when is the date that this channel was created. And this channel in particular was created in 2021 and it's having 196,000 subscribers in that 1 year. And in the last month, this channel has generated 24 million views and they're generating just over $59,000. Most of the audience that are visiting this channel is from the United States, India and United Kingdom. And by excluding India, these other countries are one of the best ones that you can have on your channel. That's why this channel is selling for 300,000 and it has been already sold. Now I can divide by 1,000 this 24 million. Now I'm gonna get the total amount, which is $59,259.22, and divided by 2,400, which is 24 million divided by 1,000. And now you can see that this channel is making on average $2.4 per 1,000 views. That is after the YouTube cut, and it's $2.4 of RPM. And that is simply because the audience of this one is slightly better than the previous one. Now I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna take a look of another channel. And for example, let's take this one, which is having 347,000 subscribers. It is created in 2015 and it's monetized. It is listed for 50,000 euros and the average monthly income for this channel is around $2,000. Also, the viewers are from United States and United Kingdom, which is pretty good because, like I said, they're one of the highest paid viewers by Google advertisers. Now I'm gonna do the math. It is having $1,228 for the past month, and I'm dividing that by 561.2, which is the total views divided by 1,000. And you can see that because this audience is better than others, it is generating more than them, which is $3.4 per 1,000 views RPM. And now I'm gonna go to one more channel just to see what they're making. I'm gonna pick a channel that is with a different audience so that I can see a different types of RPM and make a conclusion what is the lower and the higher end of that niche. So this channel right here is having just 38,000 subscribers. It is generating $659 per month and their audience is from Brazil and United States, as well as 8.7 views in total. And total income from the channel is just over $6,000. And now I'm gonna do the math for this channel as well. So I'm taking this $626.10 and I'm gonna divide it by 582.4. And you can see that because this channel is mainly viewers from Brazil, this RPM is just $1 per 1,000 views of RPM. So the final conclusion for this research is that you can get anywhere between 47 cents and $3.50 per 1,000 views, and this is mainly based on where your viewers is coming from. And if you want to create a movie recap channel, I'm having a video right here. I'm explaining the steps and how you can avoid the copyright strikes and start making money on YouTube. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.